You've poured your heart into your candles. They smell amazing, they look beautiful, people say they love them, but when it comes to actually selling, it feels like pulling teeth. Sound familiar? You're not alone. The truth is, great products don't automatically sell out. And it's not because you're bad at what you do, it's because most makers are missing something crucial, an irresistible offer. Now, I've been studying one of the biggest business books out there, $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi, and it completely changed how I think about selling. This book isn't just for big companies, it's for anyone who sells anything, including us as candle makers. And today I'm going to show you how to use Hormozi's strategy to create offers so good customers feel silly saying no. And quick note, this video isn't sponsored. I'm just a huge fan of this book and I believe in the power of these ideas. So stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to craft offers that sell out your booth and boost your profits without lowering your prices. If you spent hours perfecting your candles, the scent throw is amazing, the jars are gorgeous, friends and family tell you they're the best candles they've ever had, you pack up for a craft fair, set up your beautiful booth, and wait for the sales to roll in, but instead, people walk by, smell them, they say, oh, that's nice, and then they leave. Now you're sitting there thinking, what else am I supposed to do? My product is great, why isn't it selling? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. I've been there, and so have countless other makers. Here's the hard truth. A great product isn't enough to guarantee sales. And that's not because your candles aren't amazing. It's because the offer around your candles isn't pulling people in. Here's the truth most makers don't realize. People don't just buy products, they buy offers. Your candle could be amazing, but if the offer doesn't scream, this is too good to pass up, customers will hesitate. Think about it. Would you rather buy just an 8-ounce candle for $25 or this instead? The Relaxation Bundle, $49. 2 of your best-selling candles, an event-only bonus, calming wax melt sample, a small bottle of stress relief essential oil, gift-ready packaging, and a burn satisfaction guarantee. If they don't love the burn, they can exchange it at your next event. Suddenly, it's not just a candle. It's a complete relaxation experience. Same products plus a small bonus, but the perceived value skyrockets. That's what Alex Hormozi means when he says, make offers so good that people feel silly saying no. Most of us just sell a product. The makers who crush it, they sell an outcome, a transformation customers want to buy into. So why is this so hard for us as makers? The truth is, most of us got into this because we love making, not because we love selling. We spend months perfecting our formula, testing wicks, finding the perfect jars, obsessing over labels, and when it comes to selling, we think, if my candles are good enough, they'll sell themselves. But here's the reality. Great products don't automatically create good offers. Most makers believe the only way to increase sales is to lower prices, but that's a race to the bottom, and it destroys your margins. Others think adding value means giving things away for free, but without strategy, that just eats into your profits as well. And almost nobody is taught how to package their products into an irresistible offer. One that makes customers feel they're getting so much more than what they're paying for. That's where Alex Hormozi flips the script. Instead of lowering prices, he teaches you to stack value so high that the price feels like a no-brainer. And the best part? You don't need to add expensive extras. You just need to structure what you already have in a way that feels like a premium experience for your customers. This is the gap that most candle makers never cross. But once you see how the value equation works, you'll understand how to turn any product, even a simple $25 candle, into an offer people feel silly saying no to. So how do you take your amazing candles and turn them into an offer people can't resist? Alex Hormozi breaks it down into something he calls the value equation. So here's how it works. Value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. Sound complicated? Don't worry, it's actually simple. The equation is saying the more you increase your customer's dream outcome, what they truly want, and the more you increase their belief that you'll deliver it, while reducing how long they have to wait, time delay, and making it easy for them, effort and sacrifice, the more valuable your offer feels. And here's the key. When value feels high, price stops being a focus. You don't have to cut prices. You just have to make the offer so good customers feel silly saying no. Now, let's break this equation into the 4 parts and see how it applies to your candle business. The first part of Hormozi's equation is the dream outcome, and this is where most makers completely miss the mark. When you sell a candle, you might think you're selling soy wax in a pretty jar for $25, but your customer isn't buying wax. They're buying how it makes them feel. They're buying the warm glow that makes their home feel cozy, the calming scent that melts away the stress after a long day, the luxury of a beautiful gift-ready item they're proud to display. This is the emotional outcome behind the purchase, and here's why it matters. If your offer only talks about the product, it's forgettable. If your offer focuses on the experience and the transformation, it becomes irresistible. So, for example, instead of saying 8-ounce soy candle, $25, you say, transform your space into a cozy sanctuary with our relaxation candle, a calming blend designed to melt away stress. Same candle, same price, but now you're selling the outcome they want to buy. The better you understand your customer's dream outcome, the easier it is to craft an offer that speaks directly to it. Now, the second part of the equation is perceived likelihood of achievement. So, in simple terms, do customers believe your candle will give them the experience you're promising? Now, you might know your candles are amazing, but new customers don't. They need proof. Now, how do you increase that belief? Well, social proof. Display reviews or photos from happy customers. Even a small sign that says over 300 candles sold at our last market. It boosts credibility, right? Bestseller badges. Label your top selling scents. When people see customer favorite or #1 seller, they feel safer buying. And guarantees. Offer a simple burn satisfaction guarantee. If they don't love it, they can exchange it at your next event. It reduces perceived risk. Brand storytelling. Share that you hand pour in small batches, use premium ingredients, and test every candle. This positions you as an expert, not just another vendor. And here's why it works. When customers believe you'll deliver, they stop hesitating. So, for example, 2 booths may sell similar candles. One just has a candle sitting on the table, the other has signs saying, voted #1, local candle 2025, loved by 500 plus happy customers, and a small stack of testimonials. Which one would you trust more? Building this belief is what turns browsers into buyers. The third part of Hormozi's value equation is time delay. How quickly can your customer enjoy the outcome you're promising? And here's why this matters. The longer it takes for someone to experience the benefit, the lower the perceived value. So think about it. Why do people love Amazon Prime? Instant gratification, right? At a craft fair, this works in your favor because customers can take your candle home right now and light it tonight. But you can increase this value even more by reducing friction and adding urgency. So, event exclusive offers, right? Let buyers know some products or bundles are only available today. That urgency pushes decisions. Ready to enjoy packaging, gift-ready boxes, or bags means that they can give it or use it immediately. No extra work for them. Then pre-made bundles. Instead of customers choosing, one by one, have ready sets that make buying easy and quick. And fast checkout. Mobile readers, QR codes, or contactless payments reduce hesitation at the point of sale. These small tweaks shorten the time delay between buying and enjoying. When they feel like they're getting an instant win, they're far more likely to say yes. And the final part of Hormozi's equation is effort and sacrifice. And this is where many makers accidentally lose sales. So in simple terms for this is asking, how much effort does it take for a customer to buy from you and enjoy the result? The harder it feels, the less likely they are to buy. So here's how to reduce effort and sacrifice at your booth. Make the buying process simple. Have a card reader, accept multiple payment options, and display prices clearly so customers don't have to ask. Remove decision fatigue. Instead of overwhelming customers with 25 cents, highlight your top sellers or create pre-made bundles. People buy faster when the choice is easy. Gift-ready packaging, as we kind of discussed. When you offer candles in ready-to-give boxes or bags, you remove the extra step for them. They're not just buying the product, they're buying the convenience. And offer simple guarantees, like the customer happiness promise. This takes away their hesitation without adding stress for you. And create a smooth booth flow. Organize your table so it's easy to browse, smell, and shop without feeling crowded. Every little bit of friction that you remove makes it easier for them to say yes. When you combine a strong dream outcome, high believability, quick gratification, and effortless buying experience, You've stacked the value so high that the price stops being the obstacle. That's the power of Hormozi's value equation. Now that you understand Hormozi's value equation, let's put it into action. Here's the thing, you don't need to discount your candles to sell more. That's the mistake so many other makers make out there. They think the only way to move product is to lower the price, but that just cuts into your profits and makes your products feel less valuable. Instead, Hormozi teaches us to stack value so high, the price feels tiny compared to what the customer is getting. So what does value stacking mean? You amplify the outcome your product delivers. You add bonuses that make the offer feel bigger than the price. You create urgency so people buy now, not later. You remove risk so customers feel safe saying yes. When you stack these pieces together, you're no longer selling just a candle, you're selling an experience, a transformation, and an exclusive opportunity. And this is where it gets fun. You can use this equation to design offers that your customers get excited about, talk about, and can't walk away from. So let me show you exactly how to build one. Okay, let's bring this to life. Here are 3 offer ideas using Hormozi's framework that you can try at your next market or craft fair. 1. The Relaxation Experience Kit, $49. 2 of your best-selling candles. An event-only bonus, like a free calming wax melt sample. Gift-ready packaging, so they can use it or gift it immediately. Now, this is backed by your customer happiness promise. So why does this one work? You're selling relaxation, not just candles. The bonus and packaging amplify the outcome, and the promise removes risk. Second idea, the Seasonal Escape Bundle, $69. 3 seasonal candles curated to create a vacation at home vibe. An exclusive seasonal scent only available at this event. A free wick trimmer, $8 value as a bonus. Put only 15 available, creating scarcity. Now you want to make sure that's true. And why it works. The exclusive scent plus limited quantity taps into FOMO, or fear of missing out. And the bonus trimmer stacks extra value without killing profit margins. And here's a third idea. The VIP Candle Lover Pack, $99. 4 candles plus a bonus wax melt as a sample. Early access to next season's scents via email sign up. An exclusive 10% off voucher for a future purchase. And this is limited to the first 10 buyers at the event. Why this works? This isn't just a purchase, it's a VIP experience. You're giving them insider perks, future discounts, and a reason to buy now. Notice something? None of these rely on cutting prices. You're adding value, not subtracting profit. And the more value you stack, the easier it is for customers to justify the purchase. So now it's your turn. Here's how to take Hormozi's value equation and build an irresistible offer for your booth, step by step. Step 1, define the dream outcome. Ask yourself, what transformation does my customer want? Is it a cozy home, stress relief, a luxurious gift? Name your offer around that result, not just a product. Example, instead of candle bundle, call it a stress-free night kit. Step 2, add perceived value with proof. Adding perceived value with proof makes customers believe they'll get the outcome. Use signs like #1 bestseller or loved by 500 plus happy buyers. Display testimonials or mention your process to build credibility. Include your customer happiness promise to eliminate risk. Step 3, shorten the time delay. Make it clear that they can enjoy it fast. Pre-wrap bundles so they're gift ready. Use signs like take home tonight or event exclusive. Limit quantities to encourage buying now. Step 4, reduce effort and sacrifice. Make it effortless to buy. Offer simple bundles instead of overwhelming choices. Display pricing clearly, no awkward asking. Make checkout easy with card readers or QR codes. And step 5, stack bonuses, not discounts. Add small bonuses that feel huge to the customer but cost you little. Mini melts, wick trimmers, exclusive scents, VIP perks, right? Remember, bonuses should feel like a win, not an expense. Once you've layered these 5 steps, you've turned your product into a Hormozi-style irresistible offer. And here's the best part. You can create multiple offers at different price points to reach more buyers without ever lowering your prices. You've built an amazing offer, stacked with value, bonuses, and convenience. But here's the problem. Even when people love your offer, many will still hesitate. Why? Because humans procrastinate. They think, I'll come back later. And guess what? Later usually never comes. That's why Alex Hormozi emphasizes 2 powerful triggers, scarcity and urgency. Scarcity means the offer is limited. Maybe you only brought 15 of your seasonal escape bundles. Maybe you have a limited edition scent that won't be restocked. When something is scarce, it becomes more desirable. Urgency means the offer is time sensitive. The bonus wick trimmer, only included with purchases made today. The exclusive gift wrap, only for this weekend's market. When the clock is ticking, customers take action. So here's an example. Vendor A, candles are $25. Vendor B says, our relaxation kits are $49 and an exclusive wax melt sample, but only 10 are available today. Which booth are you buying from? Now, some makers worry about using scarcity, like what if my customer gets mad? Here's the truth. Real scarcity isn't fake, it's honest. You really only made 15 kits? Say that. This scent is only available this season? Say that. You're not tricking people, you're giving them a reason to act now. When you combine a strong offer with real scarcity and urgency, you create a buying trigger that's almost impossible to resist. And that's exactly how you turn browsers into buyers at your next event. So let's bring this full circle. You learn that great products don't automatically sell, but great offers do. Using Alex Hormozi's value equation, you now know how to tap into the dream outcome your customers really want, build trust so they believe you'll deliver, use speed and convenience to make the purchase irresistible, remove friction and stack bonuses so high that price stops being the focus, and finally, add scarcity and urgency to get customers to say yes now, not later. These strategies don't just boost sales, they change how customers see your business. They stop seeing you just as another candle vendor and they start seeing you as someone who delivers an experience that they can't get anywhere else. So here's your challenge. Create just one irresistible offer using these steps. Try it at your next event. Then I want you to come back and tell me in the comments how it worked for you. So now I want to hear from you down below. Which part of this strategy are you most excited to try? Please drop it below. I try to read every single comment. If this gave you an aha moment, hit that like button. It helps more makers find this content. And if you want more videos where I take powerful business strategies and how they apply to your candle business, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. It's going to be a really good one. It's another Alex Hormozi special about getting leads. So thank you for hanging out with me today, and remember, you're not just selling candles, you're building an offer that people can't say no to.